Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yutini for those who don't know. So today we are back with another jewelry collaboration with Read Your Heart. And I love a good like italics. The font is so pretty. But this is my second time collaborating with them and I just absolutely love their jewelry. They have like the cutest dainty pieces. So this time around we are going to be looking at their bracelet. So it came in this cute box. How stunning is this? Look how beautiful this is. What? You can't tell me that's not stunning. This is perfect for like a nice night out. You want to dress up for your birthday, you want to go out to dinner. It's nice and dainty and you can just like put it on and go. I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see. And Read Your Heart is known for their Moissanite diamonds, but look how beautiful this is. This is so stunning. I absolutely love it. And then they also sent me 2 necklaces. I love the blue actually that it comes in the box. The color of the box is so pretty. But this is the necklace. How pretty is that? Like I said, they have the cutest like dainty pieces and I'm in my dainty era. Whenever I wear their jewelry, I always just feel so like girly. So this is what the necklace looks like on. You see how it's just so nice and simple the way it sits on your neck. Gives you the perfect amount of sparkle with the bracelet as well. Just keeping it simple. And sometimes I think when I wore this actually I didn't bother to wear it with earrings because I just felt like on those nights where you just want to have a little dazzle, a little shine, a little sprinkle, this is perfect for that.
And last but not least, we have the Moissanite 4-leaf clover pave charm necklace in sterling silver as well. This is another like pretty dainty piece. I loved both of them honestly, and I'm becoming like a silver girly, which is shocking me as well. But look at that necklace with the bracelet combo, absolutely stunning. And again, to show you guys the solitaire oval necklace, absolutely stunning. And of course the link chain, everything is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
And you know what my favorite part is the fact that this is Moissanite, which is basically a lab-grown diamond, and it gives you the quality, the feel, the look, and the longevity of a real one without the price tag, because your girl is on a budget, but we still want to be, you know, we still want to look good, we still want to give, and this is just perfect for that. And because I want you guys to feel like that too, especially with the holiday season here, which is my favorite time of the year, we are doing a giveaway. I will be giving away one of these necklaces, and all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment if you are a gold or silver girly. I am definitely, or I was a gold girly, but I feel like I'm slowly switching over to a silver girly and I don't hate it. I feel like it really does pop on my skin tone, but I still love my gold. So let me know which one you are and I will pick one of the people who comment below, and like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. But thank you so much, Read Your Heart, for sending me these. They are absolutely stunning. I've worn this now a few times just to really see how I felt in it. I wore it like on a regular day going to work. I also wore it to my friend's birthday gala with my gown. It was chef's kiss. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.